In this video, I'll show you how to utilize the Instagram feed widget within the AIT Blocks plugin. First thing we need to do is to navigate over to AIT Blocks, and then we want to navigate over to integrations. And we'll scroll down to where we see Instagram. We want to make sure we enable this option here. And this is a pro option. So if you don't have the ability to enable this option, make sure you've got the pro plugin installed and activated. Then click on this settings icon here. You want to add your Instagram token. I will leave a link in the description below that shows you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook account and then generate the API key. I would have included it in this video, but Facebook changed their interface so much that it's just easier to do a written tutorial so we can update it. Once you've added your token here and click linked account, you'll see all the different Instagram account that you've got assigned to your API key. I've just got this one, AIT testing. We can go ahead and X this off. And now we can display our Instagram feed anywhere on our website. All right, we can click this plus icon here. And then we can just go ahead and drag and drop this Instagram feed onto our page where it says Instagram user. We can choose the Instagram account that's assigned to our token. I've only got 3 posts, right? And we can see the captions here as well. We can choose from a grid layout or a maestro layout. We'll probably have different layouts as well coming in the future. And then we can choose how many columns we want to have. I'm going to select 2. This looks really good. We can customize the gap. We can choose to enable or disable the caption. It's totally up to you. Under advanced, we can add additional CSS class for further customization. And if we scroll up, we can go ahead and customize the Instagram caption, which is this. We can do more advanced styling, such as messing with the margin, padding, and so on. So I'm happy with this. Hit publish. And then we can go ahead and view this on the front end. All right, perfect. Our Instagram feed. And this will automatically update as you add new posts to your Instagram account.